The last project for No Blocks November is the magnetic switch. So this is a very simple sensor, and if you're familiar with our Jumpstart Python curriculum, you might remember that we had Project 15, the alarm system, where we actually go through and we build an annunciator that can be triggered wirelessly from another microbit, and we walk through using a tripwire and a magnetic switch detector, as well as the accelerometer for motion detection. So if you're familiar with that project, this is going to be very familiar to you as well. But take a look at the blog post and you'll see some more details on that sensor. So we're going to use the compass.getFieldStrength function and grab a baseline. So you're going to want to do that without a magnet near your microbit. So you get sort of what the background magnetic field looks like. And then we drop into our while loop. We get the field strength currently, subtract off the baseline value, and then you can see we're just using an arbitrary number, 10,000, as the number of nanoteslas that you're comparing against. So you can adjust that value to get it more or less sensitive. So as you can see, when you take the magnet away from the microbit, it's in alarm, so it displays an A, and when the magnet is close by, it disappears from the display. And that's it. Check the blog post for more details, and happy coding.